my Dotty family, and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art. I am Zelda from the Faerie realm, and today I'm going to show you how to find the center of a circle. So if you're going to be dotting a round canvas or a round surface where you don't know where the center is, this is really going to help you out. Now you could be trying to find the center on a coaster, on a round canvas, or even on a rock. If you're going to be looking for the center on a rock, I would suggest using a flexi ruler, which is this is all in my kit. And that will also help you to kind of get that ruler around the sides and at the edges, and that's really going to help you out. But just for the purposes of finding the center of the circle, I'm just going to do one on paper today. Okay, what you're also going to need is your pencils just to mark. So if you've already painted your canvas black or your rock black, I would suggest doing that first, and then you can just use your white charcoal or chalk pencil to do that. Okay, so you're going to take your ruler and then you're just going to draw 3 random lines. Doesn't matter how big they are, how small they are. I can make this one quite big as well. 3 random lines like that. So it doesn't even have to go into a triangle. As you can see, this side is quite open. And then you're going to find the center of each of those lines. So I'm going to put that 13, so half of 13 would be 6.5. Okay. Let's see, this is 14.5. I'm just going to move it up and make it an equal 14. This is Sky. This is my other kitty cat. Come on. Come on. You've probably met Topaz in one of the other videos. They're brother and sister, and I really love them to death. And this is about 5.5. Okay. Now you have to make a right angle to each of those lines. In other words, a 90-degree angle. So just looking at this one, that looks around about like 90 degrees, and you're just going to draw a line inward. Let's see, that looks about 90 degrees. If you have something that can help you out to see how straight you are, even the edge of the ruler, something like that can give you a 90-degree angle. And then the same with this one. I think I'm going to put the edge of this ruler on here as well, just to give me that 90-degree angle. There we go. Just going to double check this one that I didn't do. Let's see, yeah, that is a tiny little bit skew. Not hectic, but I'm just going to make it there. So you can see that all 3 of them are kind of forming a center point right here. And that is the center of your circle. And you can test that out. You can measure it. So from the center point, let's see, it's about 8. Let's see if it needs any adjustment. It's also just a little bit over 8. Just a little bit over 8. Just a little bit. Yeah, it's about 8. So that will give you the center of your circle for you to start off with the center of your canvas or on your rock. And that's the best way for you to calculate this if you need to. Any other questions, please list them in the comment section below. I'd like to thank you guys again for joining me today. I will see you in the next video. Stay dotty, stay magical, keep well. Bye-bye.
Every single day